Good morning, and welcome to the Wake Up Sciences Special Friday edition. I'm sorry for the inconvenience of last Saturday. I was at a dance competition, but I'll be sure to post tomorrow. This experiment goes out to Jamie Brannigan for her request to make slime. What you'll need for this experiment is lotion, a multi-purpose contact solution, some white school glue, baking soda. Food coloring is optional if you want to color your slime, and glitter is also optional if you want to make it prettier. And you'll need a bowl to mix everything with and a spoon or a mixing stick. Step 1 is to pour the glue into a bowl. Now you can squirt it out with the top, or to make it easier for yourself, you can unscrew it and then squeeze it out. Depending on how much slime you want to make, you will use different amounts of glue. Step 2 is to add in baking soda. You want to sprinkle in some baking soda and then put in contact solution. But you're going to have to keep repeating this step until it comes together. So I'm going to show you a time lapse so it doesn't take up as much time. So you're going to put in the baking soda. It's going to look a little cloudy, and you're just going to mix it in with your stick. Then you're going to add in the contact solution. Just little drops of this, because this will make the slime come together and you don't want it to be too tough. So a few drops goes a long way, and then you can keep repeating that step until your slime comes together. Solution and baking soda over and over again, you will finally get to a consistency of slime. Once your slime starts to peel off the sides of the bowls, you know it's ready. Step 3 is to color your slime. If you want to leave your slime white, that's perfectly fine, but I'm going to color mine for school spirit. You're going to take a blue food coloring, and depending on how dark you want it, you can add 1 to 3 drops. I'm going to leave it as 1 right now, but I'm going to make it darker. So, I want to make my slime a dark blue, so I'm going to add 1 more drop of food coloring. If you don't want your hands to get colored, then don't do it with your hands, but I'm going to mix it in with my hands, avoiding the food coloring until it's fully mixed in. If you're making manual slime, step 4 is to add a gold glitter. You can add whatever color glitter you want, or you don't have to add glitter at all. A little goes a long way, remember, so don't go crazy. I'm going to mix in the glitter. What kind of surface you're working with, you can put your slime on that surface. I am working on a granite table, so I can take my slime out and play with it on the table. It will not stick to your table, so don't worry, parents. Step 6 is to add in your body lotion. I'm using the Vanilla Bean Hand and Body Lotion from Simply, and this will add a little bit of a nice scent to it, and it will make your slime softer. how a liquid glue could turn into a non-sticky thick putty. How does this work? How does it work? This works because when the polyvinyl alcohol, the Elmer's glue, and the borate ion, the contact solution in baking soda, mix together, they create an endothermic reaction. Slime is also a non-Newtonian fluid. A non-Newtonian fluid is neither a solid or liquid. Slime is solid when you pick it up, but it slides through your fingers when you hold it. I got my information from Curoscope.com. Shoutouts for this week are... shout out in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed, you like the video, and let me know down in the comments below what experiments you'd like to see on this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thanks for watching.